All right, and welcome to the course. And before we continue, let's address the elephant in the room, the course requirements. Since this is an advanced course, my expectation is that you are already familiar with React and Node.js fundamentals. Since, in my opinion, when it comes to MERN, it's really about combining our existing front-end and server knowledge instead of starting everything from the blank page. So, in other words, this is not a course where we'll cover React or Node.js from scratch. Simply because it would take way too long and it will be very unfair to the people who are already familiar with both technologies. As far as the React, like I already mentioned, I'm assuming that you already know the fundamentals. For example, what is a component? And on top of that, you are familiar with React hooks, know how to implement the most used ones. So think use state, use effect, use reducer, and use context. And also, you know how to create global context in your React application. When it comes to server, I'm assuming that you can set up a basic server, create controllers and routes, have a MongoDB Atlas account, know how to connect to it, and lastly, have some experience with JSON Web Tokens. Now, if you do need a refresher on any of these topics, I do have tons and tons of free videos where I cover all of those things from scratch and showcase all of the steps and gotchas in great detail. So please do not skip the following lecture, and if necessary, please utilize any or all of the free resources I provided.